Well, been waiting for a long time. I finally got the y-axis or x-axis, I don't know what the hell they call it. Power feed. Check this out, guys. I have to set up the limit switches. I haven't done that yet, but I mean, it's kind of rapid. Dude, this is gonna, guys, this is gonna make my life so much easier. I mean, instead of using drill machine and running all of that stuff, I mean, it's a pretty good, nice, clean unit. Documentation kind of not very good, but I had to deal with shims and all that kind of nonsense. So anyway, I finally got that one going. I'm just so, this goes back. I can also use my, yeah, that, this is kind of heavy coming back this way. I think it's because I have got other stuff going on. A lot of weight on there. You can tell the motor is actually working on it too. You know, the only thing I don't like about this one is the bevel gear inside there is made out of brass, and I think I have to probably see if I can order a few of those because I see that one going. So I'm optimistically cautious on this. Just the underpinning. I mean, the pinion gear is made out of cast iron. It doesn't look very strong, and then the bevel gear is made out of brass or whatever, and that doesn't look very strong. So we'll see how long it lasts. I have a funny feeling if it lasts, it may last me a long time, but I would not be surprised within a year. I probably will. The shavings will just take care of it. That's the only thing I don't like about this one. So anyway, at least we got it. I'm going to run it on slow for the most part because I really don't need it to be very fast. You know, like around this much speed is all I need. You know, and this clicking sound that you hear, that is the transmission inside switching forward and reverse. Okay, later guys.